Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to connect mobile hotspot through QR code in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, make hotspot connection. That is turn on hotspot in your phone. So for that, just go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to connection and sharing, and here go to personal hotspot and turn on personal hotspot here, and here you will be getting the QR code icon. Just click it, and your phone will ask you to verify with your password or fingerprint. Okay, click on password and give the screen password. So that is here I have set this screen lock. Okay, so I give it. Now QR code will be opened. Okay, you can scan this QR code from any other device. Okay, so here I am going to another device and I am taking QR code there. Just I am going to scan QR code. Okay, see here. Scan, sorry, scan, then click on QR code and scan this QR code. Yes, now you can QR code only be showing, but you can copy this only. Okay, so to connect, what you have to do is go to the Wi-Fi, long press on Wi-Fi and click on add network. Okay, and now scan this QR, and yes, now it has been added and connected. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily connect mobile hotspot through QR code in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.